see a tool box of some kind down there. I don't want to spend too much time here, folks. This is a school. And take what I can get. It's kind of dirty down in here. Something. Okay. Get that. That's what I saw. What is that? Okay. It's got some dust in the eye. Is this metal? Oh yeah, the bin's sitting on it. Get a door open. Start lobbing stuff in here. It looks like a shop vac. Yeah. There's another cord to something. Okay, that's the shop vac cord. Yeah, because here's the thing. Over here, there's a main road out there. Actually, I've used it before. You've seen me on it, doing the Summers route. And there are no shortage of county sheriffs that run that road 24/7. And I don't want to get busted over here. So how about that for an old word, busted? Come on. There we go. I'll deal with that at another time. Any more metal? Okay, I'm not seeing anything else worth hanging around for, so I'm gonna call that good and get, wait a minute. Is this more of the cord? Yeah, it is. There's some more metal right there. Shoot. Keeping my eyes peeled. There's another piece. I don't think it's an issue. Yeah. As long as I'm not dumping junk out on the ground. I was worried my foot got tangled. Get them cutters and get that cord, and then we'll skedaddle. There we go. Little tool ski. If I can get it off the bag. that's it. I got the apartments over yonder. I'm gonna go check, see if there's anything over there. So let's call that good and get over to those apartments. Give those a check, see what we got over there, if anything. I don't want to make too much noise, folks. It's very early in the morning. Take office chairs. Oh no, there's a vacuum cleaner. Oh great. Guess what I don't have? Well, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm allowed one. May as well take it. Leave this behind. Come on now. All right. Yeah, I don't want to dig too much. I don't know. Rolling step stool. I'm sure it's not rated for my weight. And I have no need for it at home. We have yeah, plenty of those too. Alright, we'll take her back and beat feet. Nope. Nothing in there except stink. Here's a pale bale. A lot of cans, but I don't have that bag set up yet. That's funny. This whole side's full, this side's empty almost. Get anything in here? That'll be a negative. No. I haven't done these in a while, so I thought I'd stop and do them. I think that tote's about had it. Alright. Let's get our cutters. Come on. Yeah, I've kind of figured out the trick to that lock. It's always nice finding a vacuum cleaner cord. That's the right there. Come on. See here, there. That's the ticket. All right. Well, 8 dumpsters. Got a vacuum cleaner with a cord, and not much else. A little cheese grater and a bucket bale. Well, not too bad for 8 dumpsters and a little bit of walking. All right, I'll see you tomorrow in Summers. Well, here's a start. Oh, it's got cords on it too. So this morning at work, as I was the last half hour of work, I was going to the restroom, and I worked at 12 last night, and I was going to the restroom, and on the way there, wow, my right calf just, I don't know what happened, but it was a blast and it hurt. And let the blades go their way down in there. I'm not gonna mess with it. Got these nice lights, or light housings. So yeah, it's a little ginger this morning. Oh man, I'm telling you, I walked it off somewhat, but it still hurts. So, hey, come on. So yeah, it's Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed the little bit of dumpster picking I did yesterday. There wasn't much out there, but I got what I could. I think I'm going to be hitting that school every Sunday from here on out. Because that dumpster used to be closer to the main road, not the main road I showed you, but another main road off to the, what would it be, the east from there. So, okay. And we're gonna run around, see what we can find today. It's a beautiful morning, sun's up. And actually, even though that happened to my leg earlier, it's feeling a lot better than it did. So let's get down and look for some more scrying, folks. Leg is hurting. Nope. Let's go take a look over there. Yeah. Oof. Then I was driving along and my gauges all just tanked on me on the dash. So that's weird. Yeah, it's a bunch of little stuff again, but we'll take it. Some bed rails here. Yeah, it's all broken down. Oh man. Yeah, come on. My gauges came back on after I pulled the old school black and white TV trick when the reception was buried. Just pound on top of it, it works. So the gauges are back. Something piqued my curiosity when I was driving by here. Wonder what this is. Heavy, yes. And how do you open it? it's an old typewriter. Indeed. Brother. Heck yeah, we'll take that. I don't know that I want the plastic cover though. Yeah, don't care for the cover. No, I don't want to see if it works. I'm just gonna take it for scrap metal. Yeah, I know. Somebody might pay you money for that. Yeah. And again, somebody might not. Oh yeah. Got some steel here. A little bit more. Oh, there's actually quite a bit in here. Don't get it all. Well. Brother, come on. I gotta be careful here because it's a very narrow road. It's a country road, an old country road. And dropping it on the ground. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that two-story house off in the distance. So there's this one, the next one, that one, and then one after it. I actually helped build that house back in the 1970s. It was my stepsister's husband's, their house. Yep, I helped build it. Some more. What's this? Oh yeah. Looking for traffic? Nothing? Okay. Some nice stuff here. Probably not a good idea to chuck the little stuff all over the place, but oh man. Well, the leg's doing a little bit better, but not much. It still hurts. Yeah, that sunlight in my eyes. Come on. Right there's a piece. I think that's gonna do it. Let me see if there's anything else on the other side over here. Tin can. That's gonna do it, folks. All right. A little bit of steel to start the morning. I like it. Yeah, it's just... Whoops. Sorry, puppy. Yeah, it's just cheap steel, but I'll take it. It's all right, buddy. Does that come off of there? It does not. All right. We'll just take it as is. Don't want to keep bugging the dog. Get us a fold chair. All right. Oh, it's a little one, but hey. Little pays money, too. What's this? There's some weight to that. All right, well, we'll take it and skedaddle. All right. Bulba. That's probably cast aluminum. Nope. Steel. Wow. All right. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you had a good time. I did. I mean, a bunch of little finds again. Not a whole lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the brand new subs. I so appreciate it. It's unbelievable. I can't thank you all enough. It's great. And I'm kind of waiting for this car to go because, yeah, that's what you get for live video, right? My love to all of you, everybody, and all of you, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.